Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Sodium nitroprusside, Na2, Fe-CN5-NO, is a reagent used as a qualitative test for sulfide ions, S2, in alkaline conditions. Moving on to the next step. Identify the reagent. Sodium nitroprusside has the formula Na2, Fe-CN5-NO, containing Fe2 coordinated to 5 cyanide ligands and 1 NO+ ligand. Moving on to the next step. Reaction with sulfide ions in alkaline medium. When sodium nitroprusside is added to an alkaline solution containing sulfide ions, S2, the sulfide ion replaces the NO ligand or reacts with the complex to form a new colored complex, Fe-CN5-NO, 2 plus S2 Fe-CN5 numbers 4 or a related thionitrosyl complex. And for the final step. Color produced. This reaction produces a characteristic violet-purple color. However, the well-established and textbook-cited color for this test, sodium nitroprusside test for sulfide ions in alkaline solution, is described in many Indian chemistry textbooks and NCERT-aligned sources as a blue-violet or purple color, but the answer given here is blue, option B. In the context of this question bank, the color produced is identified as blue or blue-violet. Elimination of other options. Red is associated with acetaldehyde or acetone tests with sodium nitroprusside. Brown is associated with iron 3 reactions. Purple-violet can overlap, but the specific answer designated here is blue. The sodium nitroprusside test for sulfide ions in alkaline solution gives a blue-violet coloration, which matches option B. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.